This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard future type beat. First, focus on a solid drum foundation. A powerful kick and snare are essential for that driving rhythm. Next, layer in some deep, resonant 808s to give your track its signature low-end punch. Finally, pick out some futuristic synth sounds to create your main melodies and atmospheric elements. This combination will lay the groundwork for a compelling beat. For your drums, try layering a punchy kick with a sharp snare to get that crisp, hard-hitting sound. When it comes to your 808s, make sure they are perfectly tuned to the key of your track. This prevents clashing frequencies and ensures a cohesive sound. Don't forget to incorporate some intricate hi-hat rolls and open hats to add movement and a professional feel to your rhythm section. These elements are crucial for a dynamic beat. Now, let's craft those captivating melodies. Focus on dark, evolving synth lines that grab attention without being overly complex. Introduce atmospheric pads to fill out the sound and give your beat a sense of space and depth. Subtle effects like reverb and delay can really enhance these elements, making them sound more professional and immersive. Experiment with different textures to find your unique sound. Finally, arrange your beat with distinct sections like intros, verses, and choruses to keep listeners engaged. Pay close attention to your mix, ensuring each element has its own space and contributes to the overall power of the track. Proper leveling and panning are key for professional sound. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. A well-arranged and mixed beat will truly stand out, ready for any artist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.